A slider is a commonly used component in mechanical transmissions, usually consisting of a block that can move on a guide rail and a handle, pin or cam connected to the block. Its function is to convert rotary motion into linear motion or linear motion into rotary motion. Sliders are typically made of metal or plastic and have properties such as wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and high temperature resistance. Sliders are widely used in various mechanical transmissions such as mold processing, automobile manufacturing, rail transportation, wind power generation, and shipbuilding. In mold processing, sliders are usually used as moving devices for punching dies or templates to ensure smooth lifting or sliding movement of the molds. In automobile manufacturing, sliders are used in mechanical transmission systems such as gearboxes and clutches to help vehicles accelerate and shift smoothly. In the field of rail transportation, sliders are used in electric motor-driven trams or subway vehicles to assist in smooth starting and braking operations. In wind power generation and shipbuilding, sliders are used to control the angle and position of blades or sails. Sliders can be classified according to their structure and application scenarios. Sliding method. According to the different motion modes of the slider on the guide rail, sliders can be divided into 3 types: sliding sliders, rolling sliders, and slipping sliders. Structural form. According to the different structural forms of the slider, it can be divided into many types such as flat sliders, cylindrical sliders, arc sliders, convex sliders, and angular sliders. Material classification. According to the different materials of the slider, it can be divided into many types such as metal sliders, plastic sliders, rubber sliders, etc. Brand. Choosing well-known brand of sliders such as THK, Huin, NSK, ICO, Schneeberger, Bosch Rexroth, SKF, Schiefler, TBI Motion, Lintec can improve their service life and stability. Before installation after purchase, check whether the size and purpose of the slide rail are suitable for actual needs. During installation, pay attention to the direction of the slide rail and ensure that the slide rail is facing the correct direction.